In this video, we are going to learn a Schneider drive complete parameter setting and also learn parameter function. So let's start video. You can see we have one is Schneider drive and its control terminal, okay, and its power terminal of a Schneider drive. In power terminal, first we connect input power supply R, Y and B. Its output of drive which we connect in motor terminal. For parameter setting, you can see green button is dial key, okay. When you press dial key with center, so it works as a OK, and if you increase or decrease or rotate this dial key, so your parameter will increase or decrease, okay. It's a escape key. For outing of any of the parameter, it's a mode key by which you can enter in any of the mode, okay. It's run key by which you can start your drive in local mode. It's stop for stopping drive in local mode, also reset for any fault. And for parameter setting, first we press dial key, okay, reference, just rotate, and its configuration, again press dial key, okay, just rotate dial key and find full parameter setting. So just find full, again press dial key, it's 100 group, okay. First we enter in 200 group, so just rotate one more time, 200 group, just need to enter. First parameter is 201, okay, 201 for type of control, 2-wire mode or 3-wire mode, okay. If you want to run your drive in 2-wire mode, so just set 2. If you want to drive in 3-wire mode, so just set 1, okay. For now we set 0 for 2-wire mode control, okay. So first parameter is type of control, so just set 2-wire mode programming. Now next parameter is 300 group, which is for motor control menu, okay. And first parameter is 301 for standard motor frequency, okay. In India basically 50 Hz frequency is used, so we set 0, and for 60 Hz frequency just need to set 1, okay. So for India we set 0, 50 Hz frequency at which our drive will run. Next parameter is 302, which is rated motor power, okay, rated motor power in kilowatt, okay. Just need to enter your motor power in kilowatt. For now we set 1.50 kilowatt motor. Next parameter is 304 is for rated motor voltage, okay. Its set is 380. You can change this as your motor design at which voltage. So for now we set 400 voltage, which is rated motor voltage for motor, okay. I hope you clear the concept. Next parameter is 305 rated motor current or ampere. You need to set FLC current or overload current of motor at which your drive will trip when your motor takes excess amount of current, okay. Next parameter is 306 rated motor frequency, because in India 50 Hz frequency used, so we set 50 Hz frequency, okay. I hope you clear the concept. Next parameter is 307 rated motor RPM. Just need to enter motor RPM, which you can find from motor nameplate, okay. Next parameter is 308 is a maximum frequency at which you want to run your motor with drive, okay. So rated motor frequency we set 50 Hz, okay. Our motor will run at 50 Hz frequency, so just we set 308, which is maximum frequency. And for torque boost parameter is 310. You can set torque boost as per your requirement, okay. So for now we set 100 in torque boost. I hope you clear the concept of motor control menu parameters. Now see some important and basic parameter which is in 400 group. So just need to enter in 400. Okay, first parameter is reference channel 1. okay, for your frequency control, okay, from where you want to control your frequency. Okay, so for if you connect a potentiometer, so just set 1. Okay, for now we connect a potentiometer with drive, so we will set 1. Okay, so it's set 1 for potentiometer because it's analog terminal. Now when reference come, so your drive will run according to potentiometer. Okay, and for remote display just need to set 163 because we connect potentiometer, so just set 1. Okay, 1 for analog terminal. And also if you connect remote display, so set 163 for remote display. And if you want to control your drive frequency with any PLC, so set 164. Okay, because we connect one analog terminal which is potentiometer, so we set 1. Okay, now next parameter is 406 channel configuration. Okay, it's the most important parameter for if you want to start stop your drive push button or local mode, and if you want to control your drive frequency with potentiometer or drive keypad, so just set 1 for combined mode. That means your drive will start stop remotely and frequency control with potentiometer, so set 1 for combined mode. If you want to different, that means frequency control with potentiometer but start stop with drive keypad, so set 2 for separate mode. Okay, for now we set separate mode. Okay, so drive frequency we control in 401 parameter, and for run command selection 407 parameter. 407 parameter for start stop, you want to start stop with remotely with push button or selector switch, so set 1 for terminal for run command start stop. And if you want to start stop locally, so set 2. Okay, for local mode set 2 for start stop, and for push button start stop set 1. I hope you clear the concept. And next parameter is for acceleration 501 group 5010. Okay, acceleration time, for acceleration time we set 3 seconds when you start your drive, so for at 3 seconds your drive will come in full speed. Okay, and for deceleration parameter 501 group 1 for deceleration when you stop motor. So for high speed to 0 speed, how much time your drive will take, so we set deceleration time in 3 seconds. Okay, deceleration time is 3 seconds. Okay, for reverse rotation most important parameter which is 503 for reverse direction. Okay, if you set 0 in 503, that means you not assigned reverse direction, that means your motor will not run in reverse direction. Okay, if you set L1H logic input 1 activated, that means when you connect analog reference to first digital input, so your drive will run in reverse rotation. And L2H logic input 2 activated, if you set 2, that means when digital input 2 comes, your motor will run in reverse direction. For digital input first, motor run in forward direction, and for digital input 2 now motor run in reverse direction. So we assign digital input second for reverse rotation, and we set L2H for reverse rotation. And most important parameter 512.0 for low speed when you start your drive, so at which frequency your drive should start, so we set 5, you can set 0 as well. Okay, now for high speed, low speed we set 5, and for high speed we set 50. Okay, your drive will not run after 50 frequencies, or maximum frequency is 50 Hz frequency. I hope you clear the concept. And if you want to learn a 2-wire mode connection, 3-wire mode connection, so we will make proper video. Okay, so for today's enough, we'll meet in next video. Thanks for watching.